So this is my first video on this brand new channel. It's a few years old. I figured what better way to start out than to show you my brand new car catch on fire. It was so new. See, this car is burning. This is my SRT4 catching on fire. I got it. Holy crap. We don't know, it started smoking. Yeah, go get that as good as you can. I looked under the gas in this plant. You should get that. At this point, the police and the fire department are honestly trying to blame this on me. I mean, come on.
Let me talk to you a minute, man.
You're gonna need a wrecker. We need to get it out of here too.
Wait, you mean I can't just leave my car on the side of the road forever? So sad.
I don't know what the...
$215.
That's the video, and the truth is, Dodge paid for it and made it all right for me, so it ended well. New video this Tuesday, and also, please subscribe. I'm not doing this shit for nothing.